Hi guys, so today we are going to be continue from where we stopped on our last class, which is on word formation. And if you've been following me, you should know how we get to that point. We tried word combination of ba, ba, and the likes. So today basically we're going to be continue from that word formation, which is the lesson 2 of it, but the main lesson today is lesson 5. So let's dive in today what we have today. And don't forget, if you're seeing me for the first time, hi, thank you for stopping by, and please don't forget to subscribe. All right, so let's get it done. So number 1 today of what you're going to be having is we start with 2 here and 3 here, the initials I mean. So for this one, I'm going to be having T-O, P, I, say C. Okay, so this is what? Topic. Topic. All right, this is topic. Okay, so again, we can have T-O-2. I can have T-A-L. This is what? Total. Okay, total. This is total. Okay, so and again we could have say B E slash L O W. As you can see, this is B. The B sound low. This is B low, below. You get it? And again, we can have say M-O ni. This is ni. Money. Okay, money. All right. So another one is O-R slash D-E-R. This is O, da, order, like ordering for something. Okay, this is not the kind of order. This is just basically the ordering of something. If you've been following me, you understand that I made mention of certain words sounding alike, yet their spellings are different and their meanings are equally different. Okay, so this is one of them. This is order for ordering something. Okay, so the next one is let's do a word that is lengthy. This is organization. This is O. Okay, so this is what? This is organization. Organization. Taking. And again, we can have said lengthy one again. In slash throw slash duck slash shun. This is what it is. Introduction if put together. All right, and again we can have some K-E slash R-O slash S-I-N-E. This is a what? This is K-ro. I made mention of you should refer back to our initial lesson 1 because I thought that I'm going to be focusing on that very lesson for all we are going to be doing here is going to be where we refer to each time we are trying to form a word. Okay, so if you're just joining us, make sure you go back and watch the lesson 1 of this video. All right, so let's proceed. Now this is kerosene, 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 kerosene. Okay, so and again we can say li, ki. This is ki, is long because it is C and K. Like I said, the C and K is usually pronounced as the ki, the K, ki, K, K, ki sound. Okay, so this is li, this is ki, li, ki, li, ki, lick, like lick, licking something. 1 to 10 for this side. Now let's move to the 3 initials. So for this very one, the first one is gonna be, we are starting with COM, COM, and that is what? Com. Okay, that's com, compound, company, compensate, compromise, all the coms.com. Okay, so we have com, and we can add pre, hen, shun. So we have comprehension, comprehension put together. Okay, and that's our first word for the 3. So let's move to the number 2 of it. This is 1, this is 2. So number 2, let's do condition. Now let's focus on here and here. This is com, this is con. Don't mix the two. Com, the N, the N sound, the M, the M sound, the N, the N sound. Okay, this is condition, condition, comprehension, comprehension, condition. Are we good? So let's move to number 3. And number 3, let's do education. You see that? Education put together, education, education, education. Number 4, subtraction. Now this is subscription. This is what? Subtraction. Subtraction without S is subtraction. With X, without C, it's subtraction. With C is subtraction. Subtraction. Then number 5, let's have TER/M. This is te. This is te. Te plus me is tem. Tem. Like tem. Terminal. Tem. Okay. Number 6. Okay. This is dock and toe. Dock and toe. Doctor. And number 7, this is humble put together. Number 8, let's do car. This word on its own, but you can put this slash car pets, car painter, car whatever. So let's put carpet. Carpet, 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 carpet. Okay, so let's move to the next one, which is number 9. Sup. This is ply, 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 sup, supply, supply, supply. Okay, that's supply. And number 10, let's go for RUB/BER. This is rub, rub, ba, 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 rubber, rub, ba, rub, ba. This has 2B, rub, ba, rubber, rubber, rubber band, plastic rubber, whatever rubber you could think of. So this is 10, 10, 10 on the both side. Let's make it 15, 15, or should we stop at 10? So this is what we have for today. Let's maintain this 10, 10. You can actually add 5, 5 to the both side to make sure you are pretty learning good. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye for now.